Welcome to my channel. I am Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, I thought we would make a St. Patty's Day wreath. So comment below and tell me, do you put a St. Patrick's Day wreath on your front door, or do you go straight on to Easter? All right, so let's see. I'm gonna find a place to put this. I think I'm gonna put it right here. So this, all of the supplies came from TrendzandGemz. So our Wreath of the Month Club group is a group where we all get together and I teach wreath making, tips and tricks for growing a wreath business. Just, you know, a lot of fundamentals. But we, of course, we do bow making. We do quick little videos, like for example, I'll be going on this Friday how to quickly make wreaths for their Etsy shop. Sometimes, you know, we need quick ideas instead of more elaborate ideas. I'm going to try to cut this. We talk about flower placement, where to source supplies, how to price your wreaths. Need to clean off more space. All right. We got our sign. And now what we're going to do is make a bow. Y'all know I like to freehand my bow. If you are new to the page, I want to welcome you and make sure that you get the notifications so that you will be notified the next time I do a Facebook Live or the next time I add a video. You'll also get notifications on any tutorials and things like that that we offer free on the blog. All right, so I'm just going to make our loops. They're going to be 12 inches. So I'm going to do 3 12-inch loops. I love this ribbon. So this, we've got some fun shamrock ribbon. So this is really fun. It's really thick too. You can see how curly it stays. I'm going to do 12. And 12 inches. All of these are going to be 12 inches long, the loops, meaning it's going to be a 6-inch loop when you're done. So we did 4 with our shamrock ribbon. So I'm just going to reposition these. The tails are going to go to the back and then the loops are going to go to the front. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side, and then we've got 3 on the other side of our thumb. So we've got that, just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more loop on the side that doesn't have as many loops. And that's just going to go in the center. Just like that. So fun. It's fun to decorate for all the holidays and have, you know, a wreath that you can make for any holiday or season. Saves your money when you can make your own. That's exactly how I got started in the business, is making my own wreaths, and then actually my neighbors started to ask me to buy it right off my door, and I got started that way. I don't know why I made this one loop so long. Did not want it that long. All right, so I'm just going to trim. I'm just going to go ahead and angle cut these just to give a quick finishing touch. If you like to dovetail, you can dovetail. All right, so we've got our bow. I'm thinking we're going to put this one right here up at the top. Who's coming to Wreath Makers Live? I'm so excited about that. We are planning. We've also given digital swag this year, so meaning instead of waiting until you get to the show at the convention to get swag, you're getting it now, like right now. Like last month we gave, or the month before we gave Etsy training, and then now we're going to have a tax expert in the group giving advice for businesses, for small businesses. Yeah, but every month we've got some new training that's going to be delivered. Okay. And then we're going to put bow down here. So I did the exact same bow except for I made longer ribbon. So you can see I just made longer ribbon tails, and that's going to go at the very bottom. So here we've got some on the top and one on the bottom. All right, so now let's see what we're going to do. Now we're going to add some greenery. I've got this really, really pretty green bush. So if you are looking for greenery, they definitely have a good supply. How pretty is that? I'm just going to make sure I bend my pieces. I don't know what this greenery is called. It's just a real delicate little green leaf. All right, so you can see how we have the bottom and the top. This fern is just amazing. All of this bent, y'all, look. Look how much that bends. Do you see the difference? It looks so much more realistic when you take the time to just shape things. So you could see the added fern. Isn't that pretty? It feels real, you guys. It's so pretty. Green flowers. You can see where we put those. This is going to give a lot of texture. If you enjoy wreath making, check out our Wreath of the Month Club group. We do tutorials, about 4 or 5 tutorials every month, teaching you all kinds of different wreath recipes. I go into a lot more detail than I do here, giving you a lot of different reasoning and principles and elements of design for wreath making to help you, be able to do your own from start to finish. A lot of times we get supplies and we are just like, what do I do now? Where do I start? And so I think the Wreath of the Month Club has, with all of the tutorials that we have almost 3 years of tutorials. So over 100, and I think we counted last, over 150 is the last time I counted, different wreath tutorials. You could stop right here. Isn't that cute? So here's the bottom. And then here's the top with all the fun pom-poms. But I think I'm going to add one more thing, just one more thing. And that's a little bit of glitter. So if you don't like glitter, you can leave this out. But since this is a holiday we're decorating for, I think glitter is fun. I don't think I'm going to put too much, just a little bit. Okay, so let me show you what we have. Turned out super fun. Now I'll probably put it up on the white door and step back and see if there's any holes, which I don't see when I'm working upside down on a table, but it's, I love this. I love just the little bit of glitter, not too much. I don't know if you can see it. And I love the little whimsical pom-poms and all of the greenery. So spring wreaths are coming up, you guys. Grab the greenery while you can. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I hope I inspired you to try something different with a different design. Don't be afraid to just start. A lot of times we buy our stuff and then we just look at it and we're a little, worried of starting because we might mess up. Well, there's going to be times that you mess up, but there's also going to be times that you create something beautiful. And you won't learn to create those beautiful masterpieces until you just start. So don't be afraid to start. Again, I hope I inspired you. You are a blessing to me and my family. I hope I'm a blessing to you. I hope y'all have a wonderful night. If I missed your questions, I'll come back and answer them. But again, don't forget to join or just check out the Wreath of the Month Club group, and also TrendzandGemz with their link to their website right there. Bye guys, have a wonderful afternoon.